the love of her life.
Buy one of me onion, them mama come out. I cannot believe we are going to Brownstone High School together, Kadina. Like, this is going to be epic. I know, right? We've been through everything together. No one can tear us apart.
They giggle and bump fists, sealing their friendship. Brownstown High School. The girls enter the high school, excited.
Oh my gosh, this place is so big. I can't wait to show them like who we really are. Alright, but remember to focus. We want to make good impression, so be nice. Alright, okay. Me hear you.
As they walk, Kadina waves at her classmates, who greet her warmly.
Hello! Hi!
Kadisha's smile fades as she notices everyone gravitating towards Kadina. A few weeks later, Kadisha is at the back of the classroom doodling.
Kadisha, oh you can rum so. Because nobody not play with you.
Kadina is at the front answering a question from the teacher.
Wow, excellent answer, Kadina. Like, how do you manage to know so much? At this age? Girl, good job.
Kadisha rolls her eyes, feeling the weight of jealousy.
How do you manage to know so much? At this age?
Lunchtime. The cafeteria is buzzing with students. Kadina is surrounded by friends, laughing and sharing stories. Kadisha alone at a table watching them, muttering to herself.
Everybody should follow Baka. She love people like.
Kadina looks over, sensing Kadisha's mood.
Hey, you good? Why make you look so? And you've been a little quiet lately. Are you good? Well, school just kinda stressed me out. It's not really much. It's just, I'm kinda tired of school. Oh, yeah. I most definitely understand that. But, why you not come hang out with me? You know, I kinda miss with lunch talk them, you know?
The cafeteria is lively with students chatting and laughing.
Hello!
Kadisha sits at her usual table, looking frustrated as she watches Kadina sitting with a new group of friends. Among them is a girl named Tyra, who is particularly loud and confident.
So, Kadina, when are you going to be my best friend? I am totally stealing you from Kadisha.
The table erupts in laughter. Kadisha's expression darkens as she overhears the comment. Kadisha muttering to herself.
But Iria, I want to that boring dry foot girl that man. She just had more fire to the flames.
Kadisha stands up and storms over to the table, fists clenched. Kadina looks surprised and tries to intervene.
Wait, Kadisha, it's nothing like that, a joke, Sharon.
Wait. I want to you, Jaira or Tyra, whatever your name. You think I can just come and take my primary school best friend from me just like that?
But watch here, the troublemaker has arrived. You cannot be serious at this moment thinking you actually own her. First of all, she is not an item. She can be friends with whoever she want to be friends with, including me.
Kadisha's anger flares, feeling defensive and threatened.
First of all, you have no idea where our friendship is coming from. You think anybody can just come up here and just feel like, oh, let me be her best friend? That is not how it works. You have to be young and regrow again. And I don't think that is possible, Mrs. Tyra.
The cafeteria quiets as students notice the tension.
Kedisha, please, just stop. Respond to what she has said. It's not that serious. Cha?
What is the real issue, Khadijah? Jealous much? How about you try being nice? Maybe something will change.
Kadisha anger boils over, and she shoves Tyra. Tyra stumbles back, surprised but quickly recovers.
Bro, is that all you got? You really think you're tougher than me, don't?
First of all, you haven't been around me, not even one time in your life. So don't you dare open your dry lips to say nothing about me or my personality when you haven't been around me a second to learn me.
Tyra grinning. Kadisha's fists tighten as she lunges at Tyra.
You're weak, just admit. Me just take your spot. I know it deep down in your heart.
Two girls start to shove each other, and a crowd forms around them. Cademan rushes in.
Just stop it, both of you. Wanna calm down. It a got too far now.
Kadesha and Tyra ignore her, exchanging blows. The fight gets messy, with hair pulling and shoving.
Oh yeah, the take me spot when they not even know which part today. Idiot.
Khadisha, please. You know this is not you. Me could just walk right now. You know, so we're best friends for a long time and nobody can replace that. Replace that. Replace that. You know, so we're best friends for a long time and nobody can replace that.
We've been through everything together. No one can tear us apart.
Young lady. Hello? Young lady, don't you hear me talking to you? Fighting, really? I'm disappointed. And I know your mother will be too, how dare you?
It's me, Mr. Brown. Sorry, I really never mean for any of this happen.
What on earth is going on here? This is unacceptable. Both of you will come with me and your mom will be hearing about this first. You walk out of the teacher's class after she told you you can't use the bathroom. Know you're fighting.
Good evening, me pitney. So make you look so, like you and Fall did a fight.
Kadisha tries to brush it off, but her mom approaches, noticing the bruise on her cheek.
I know nothing more. We just getting a one little fight. That's it.
A fight? Again? Khadisha, look how much time I have to sit down and talk to you about this. You can't keep up this type of attitude, you know.
It wasn't my fault though. Tara was talking things about me and Kedina.
Cho, listen to me, Pitney, and stop telling me rubbish. You need to learn to walk away from conflict. Don't come with your excuse. Why don't you try to be at least a little bit more like Kedina? Getting straight A's? Not getting into fights at least?
Kadisha clenches her fists, feeling the familiar sting of jealousy and frustration.
Even you love her? Why you always a try compare me to somebody else? I'm my own person, I'm my own self.
Me know say you're not Kedina, but at least she is a good example. You know, she not fighting at school and them something there.
Kadisha's eyes filled with anger and hurt.
I am not Kedina and I will never be like her. True.
She is just a good example, Kedisha. I'm just know her mother proud. And I let me try put it down in my pitney. But me just I say she's a good example. And you cannot like her, she actually is.
The next day,
Hello. Hi. Hello. Hi.
the classroom is filled with chatter as students settle into their seat. Teacher MS Smith stands at the front with a stack of papers. The students quiet down as she prepares to speak.
All right, everyone, settle down. I have an important assignment. Next week will be your midterm exam. And I expect everyone to be prepared and ready. This is your last week to study, so make use of it. No excuse, be on time and be ready. But unlike you, Kedina, my top student, I expect nothing but 100%. You know what? Matter of fact, I'm actually proud of you, and the results aren't even out as yet.
Oh my gosh, here we go again. Mrs. Perfect. Sure.
Oh my gosh, keep it up, young lady.
Khadijah watches Kadina with a mix of admiration and jealousy. Kadina smiles confidently, while Kadsha looks visibly upset. Lunchtime. Few the days before the exam. Kadsha watches Kadina from a distance as she interacts with new friends. That loves her, an idea strikes her. She approaches Kadena.
Hey, can you do me a favor? Me not feel good. My belly just random I start hurting. You can't get lunch for me, please?
First of all, I'm so sorry about that. Your stomach is not feeling so well today. I am so sorry. But of course, I will literally get up right now and go get you lunch. Don't worry, you will be okay. I got you.
Kadena leaves, and Kadisha's Emanor changes. Kadisha glances around, then sneaks over to Kadena's bag. Slowly she opens it and takes out Kadena's book, the book that she will be needing to study for the exam next week.
Boy, me, I tell ya, friends like these, what will happen next? Will she keep the book so her friend won't be able to study, or will she give it back? Stay tuned and find out on part 2. Before you go, let's share some love. Supporting small creators can make a big difference. And today, I want to shine a light on a few amazing YouTube channels that deserve way more eyes on them. Chrisanne's Bible Story. If you love faith-based content and storytelling with a creative twist, this channel brings AI-generated Bible stories to life in a fun and unique way. It's currently at 213 subscribers, but we're speaking it into being. Let's push it to 300 and beyond. CJ's Corner, a sweet and colorful world for kids. This channel is packed with fun learning activities, coloring time, and kid-friendly joy. It's sitting at 14 subs, and with your help, we can bust it to a nice clean 100 real quick. Pom Pom Parade. If you're into cute and creative crafts, this is the place. From adorable art to simple DIYs, she's at 24 subs, and I feel like we can help her craft her way to 100 plus. Let's show her what community looks like. And Bestie, don't forget to stay connected with me personally on The Kelly Effect. That's where you'll find the real me, behind the scenes, my daily life, seeing me try new things, more skits, vibes, and all the little things I don't always share on my AI-generated channel. It's raw, fun, and full of heart. Find out who is really Kelly Tunes. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and leave a comment on these amazing channels. Let them know you came with love.